In today's video, I want to guide you on how to insert page border in Word document. This is very simple, guys. In less than 3 minutes, you are good to go. First, you have to create your Word document page like this. Now, come to this button that says Design. Click on it. Now, at the top right corner here, click on Page Borders. Once you click on it, you have this window that comes up. You have the border, the page border and shading, but you have interest in page border, click on page border. Now here you have different options. Click on this box option. Once you click on box option, then come to this place. You have different page borders. Here we have line. If you click on that line, then take a look at what is happening here. We have this one dotted line. You have this, then you can as well scroll. You have this one, you have as well, you have this as page border. Then you have numerous like this one as page border. Now after that, you see this one that says color, and here is automatic. You can change the color of the border here. Let's click on this small arrow and expand this. You have different color here. You can see that we have variant of yellow color here. Let's click on it. You see that's changed. Then you can click on this one to change it. As well, you can customize the color you want for your border to have. Click on this more option or more colors here. Once you click on this more color, you have two options. You have the standard and you have the customized. So you can as well come to the standard and pick anyone from here. You can come to customize and pick anyone from here. So let me pick from this customize. I think this one is okay. Now click on OK. You see that has been added. Now come to this place where you see the width of the border. Click on it. Now you can pick this. You have different way that you can choose from this border. So let's take this one. Then come to this place, this arrow. You have different options like the old document. So let's apply to the old document. Then click on OK. Boom. You see you have the border here right away on this place. So that's all, guys, on how to insert page border in Word documents. If you enjoyed this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.